Hair material. Low temperature fiber synthetic hair. Easy to install. Individually pre-looped, easy to work with install and easy to extend. Very easy to install. Save much more time to make a new hairstyle. Package details. 6 packs, 12 strands per pack, 72 strands in total, free crochet pin tool and some beads. Normally 6 to 7 packs can make a full head. Features. Handmade, natural texture, light and tight, soft and fluffy, bouncy, itch-free, no smell, not easy to separate, hold long time. Wear it for party, Halloween, cosplay or daily use, make you goddess-like. Unit count type. Ounce. Product style. 36-inch new faux hair material, high-quality low-temperature synthetic fiber. This material is light and breathable, soft and springy, made of fiber exclusively developed to resemble mimics natural hair twisted, the touch and feel of human hair. Product specifications. About 95 GAC. Size. 36-inch. Package. 6 packs 12 strands AC, available colors, 1B sharp 27-30 bug number 613 T1B, 27 T1B, 30 easy to install. You will need some patience when you start to install them. The locks are pre-looped, but you will need try to pull the loops and make them bigger, that will be much easier for the installation. Advantage. Lightwight Health, breathable, no harm to the skin, no smell, easy to use, your hair to enhance beauty. Top reviews from the United States. They are long. They are true to length. I love them. Only heavy if you wear in a bun, but for most part pretty lightweight. It's a good price. I would probably order 2 packs, although you will not use both.